On the left of the infusion pump, there is a quick start. Always go for quick reference. On the front of the infusion pump, there are 8 unique soft keys. Now, power on. Self-checking. Open the door. Ensure the free flow protection is pushed up. The infusion direction indicating from left to right. So install the IV set from left to right. The line should be placed smoothly. Press to make sure the line is good contact. Open the clip of the IV set. Press bolus to remove air in line. Now, we're going to input wanted parameters. We can always use the 8 soft keys. Press soft key. Negative, positive. By pressing positive key, we can add parameter and minus. Enter. Input VTBI. Enter. When you are ready to deliver, simply press start. We can always use titration. If you would like to change the flow rate, you can change it when it is still running. VTBI is also available for changing online. Press Enter. Stop it. When you would like to use bolus, start and press bolus. Here, rate, VTBI, and time can all be changed. As an example, we change time like 1 hour and 1 minute. Press Enter. And bolus rate. We can also change bolus rate. When the bolus rate is changed, the time will be calculated automatically. To use automatic bolus, press bolus key. We press the last soft key on the left. Now, the bolus rate is running. After finishing, it will return to previous flow rate. To get into other infusion modes, press Switch. The third key, Switch. Let's press Next, Next. There are 11 modes for selection. To go into the setting interface, press Stop plus the first soft key on the left. There are key VO, bolus, occlusion, airline, tube brand, accuracy, next, sound, black light, key sound, pressure, and so on. In the next video, I will show you how to calibrate the infusion pump. Thank you. This is to show you how to calibrate the infusion pump. I take a 10 ml syringe. It is vacuumed. First of all, we need to clear the air in line. Put the needle into the syringe. To calibrate a new brand of IV set, press Stop key plus the top soft key on the left to get into the setting interface. Then choose tube brand like TÜV CE and enter. Choose a Q. Press 1 calibration and start. Wait for 4 minutes. Read the real volume on the syringe and input the real data, 7.25, into the pump. And press enter. Go back. Press Stop key plus the first soft key on the left to get into Infusion interface. We are going to certify the Infusion Pump. Now, we are certifying our calibration. We take with a 10 ml empty syringe. Insert the needle. We can set the 150 ml per hour and VTBI 10 ml and clear total volume. Then press Start. Let us wait for 4 minutes. Let us see the real volume near to 10 ml, 100% accuracy.